exactly?
This is a holy place.
And where is it actually?
It is in Mashhad. Mashhad is in Iran, where every year 20 million people come and visit. When they have stress, tension, when they are depressed, they come to this place and they seek help from the great person who is buried there. His name is Imam Riza.
Wow,
Yeah.
okay, I didn't know that.
At least I can say I've never been there.
You feel very tiny compared to this, and maybe
Also, it's very large.
Good. I mean, I really see why people go there. I love the colors. I love the patterns.
I'm very, very impressed.
I think there's a whole different vibe in there. Like, it would be very interesting to experience that, of course.
I think it's a place I might want to see one day. It looks amazing.